Hi guys, I'm Vadim. I'm from Russia. I live in the Temple region and I'm a furniture maker. Sorry my English, but I hope that you can understand my explains. You can see I work in the small workshop because I don't use big machine tools in my work, and also I don't use big machine tools because they have a high cost. But I need to make precision holes in the furniture parts, and I found different ways to make my work better. And I use measure tape and different rulers in my work with a cordless drill, and also I use different simple templates or jigs like this jig for making holes. But all of them can't help me decide all of my tasks, and I decided to find the best tool for my work. And 2 years ago I found in the YouTube the channel of Russian inventor Denis Mordwin from Camera City, and this channel I saw the system of jigs for furniture makers, and this set was named the Master 32, Russian name Master 32, and this is a system of jigs based on a furniture system 32. I hope you heard about the system because many producers of furniture components, furniture fittings use this system. System 32, based on a step between holes 32 millimeters. Okay, and models Master 32 based on step 32 millimeters 2. The set of Master 32 includes 3 main models. It's a base model. It's a, I say Russian name, фрезерный кондуктор, and regulated stopper, or Russian name регулируемый упор. You can buy one of them, or you can buy the set of these models. And the base model, it's a main model of System Master 32. All of these models have a clamp, and you can fix these models on a furniture parts, and it's very good for precision work. Also, this system includes a metal bush which put in the plastic adapters, and you can combine the bushs of different diameters for making holes of different diameters. For example, I use adapters with bushes 5 millimeters and 8 millimeters. It's my main adapters in my work. And also the system includes plastic adapters for 3 pushes. I want to say about регулируемый упор. This model helped me make a different hole in the furniture part. and I use plastic adapters, and I can make a different holes. And this model has a clamp too. It's very nice thing. This model has a plastic ruler, and the system of Master 32 has a plastic ruler of 3 lengths. Its ruler has length 600 millimeters, and also I have a plastic ruler with length 420 millimeters, and also you can buy the small ruler with length 300 millimeters. Okay, and also this is my favorite jig, and I like it very much because this jig helped me hose for hinge cup, and for also for different special furniture connectors, and this tool give me opportunity to use a machine drill, I think so, and you can change different drill. It's very easy. Special holder, special machine holder, and you can quickly change different devices. And also I can make a hole with drill this side. Also it includes a clamp. It's very important. It's very important for good fixing. Can change dimensions for making the holes for different furniture connectors. And okay, the System Master 32 has an aluminum ruler. I use small ruler, 600 millimeters, and this ruler I can use with all 3 models, and I can stay this ruler quickly. And this is a universal ruler, and it makes both sides of model, and I can change the position of ruler quickly. And also the aluminum ruler has a scale, very precision scale. This scale was made by laser machine, and also the ruler has a 2 or many stoppers, like the industry machine tools. Okay, dear friends, for me it's difficult to tell about this system correctly, and next video I want to show how it works. If you want to get more information about this system, under this video you can find the links to YouTube channel of the inventors of the system, Denis Mordwin, and in his videos you can see how it works, how this system helps you in your work, can help you and also you can see the link uh, to Ethernet shop of this system, and you can see the costs of all these jigs. And um, Denis and his team works other countries, and I know them, and I know the man from Egypt who bought all these jigs, and who use it in his work. And I wish you good luck. Goodbye.